Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I'm gonna make incredible, ultimate, super fantastic, insanely tasty, spicy creamy pasta with tuna, garlic, young Italian beans, and the king of all cheeses, my favorite, the one and only Parmigiano Reggiano. But first, as usual, I would like to present collection of all ingredients that we need to create this extremely delicious dish. Amigos, extremely delicious pasta just landed in my office. Bon appetit! Even bon appetit very much. As you know, I am old peasant and I always eat pasta with spoon. Of course, not to spaghetti, but to this for sure. Okay. Another classic day in my office. Successful day, always when there is a pasta. That is simple. Happy day.